And here at the KOA in Bradenton, there's the RV park, which is behind all the stuff you come through in the entrance, which we're getting to that now. It says saloon, but it don't look open. So this is the farm that's in front of the KOA here in Bradenton. We didn't get to shoot it coming in last night, or yesterday I should say. Got this little western town thing going on. There's a train depot. That must be that little train that runs around through the animals. Hillbilly hayride way out there. A couple farm halls, John Deere. Got the little eat shack over there. Little train they run through here. A lot of wildflowers. Nice. Pretty cool. Wouldn't trust those floorboards. Hey, my prison one. Hey, my ride's here. That's cool. It's pretty damn cool. It's funny. Pretty damn funny. There's your federal prisoner. Here's the jail. Smiling Jack. Wanted poster. Here's the bank. Pretty cool little western town setup. Wagon shop. There's all there and them wildflowers. Old benches. They were trying to sell those at one time or what? Maybe they were just around the campground at one time. Yeah. It's like an old piece of a train car. Old pieces of that train over there. So I guess you can pick strawberries or pick wildflowers, but you got to pay at the market. There's a market up front. You got to pay out before you go out there in that field and pick the wildflowers. This place is huge. The campground's way back there. This place is really huge. A lot of acreage. Here's an old John Deere. Not sure what year that is. I'm sure somebody might know. It's damn sure an old one. Let's see if it has it down here. Here's the serial number. I'm gonna look that up. See what year this is. So this is the office here at the KOA in Bradenton. And right there's your farmer's market right across from it. Pretty cool. So we got the produce. Fresh baked breads. Some mascots. Orange marmalade, strawberry jam. Hey, Michelle, look at this. Strawberry rhubarb jam. I know, you love it. Apple butter. Oh, they got apple butter too, Shelly. This is cool.
Make a pie. Add 3 eggs to any of our butters. Mix. Pour in a pie crust and bake as a normal pie.
That is awesome. And you got more stuff over here. Look, you got sauces and stuff over here. Oh, they're dressings. Barbecue sauce. Blackberry syrup. Apple butter syrup.
Yeah, nice. Sweet Carolina barbecue sauce. This is not your normal.
Country stars on the farm, so I guess these are the stars that's been here. They have a bandstand out back. And you got the animals back here.
Bellamy Brothers is here.
Yep.
Confederate Railroad.
So I guess they've had some hootenannies and hoedowns here, huh?
I guess. Stage.
Yes, I got a bandstand back there. I don't know. Coffee camper, which we're seeing that back over there. Petting zoo, ice cream, the farmer's wife. So is this how you get into the petting zoo, I'm assuming? Don't know. Oh, they are doing the train ride, huh? Oh, I didn't like they run that train for a while, but I guess I was wrong. Sure. That's all the petting zoo stuff in there. Yep, there's the stage, the bandstand. Here comes one in. There's Dan Bounder. Hey, I'll tell you what, though, this is pretty cool for a little KOA campground.
Yeah,
it is. So you got the farmer's market, the petting zoo, you got the little coffee trailer there for in the morning, you got the eat shack. You can go over there and pick wildflowers. You got the little western town where they got the train. You can run, they run it back there to the other animals. I know I've seen an ostrich, some emu. Not sure what else is back there. Yeah. Pretty damn cool, man. And we'll be in a different location tomorrow. It's going to be a state park. We'll do some video there. But we're on our way to the Everglades, and hopefully everything keeps going well. We should be there Monday or Tuesday, something like that. Tuesday, right?
Tuesday.
Tuesday, we'll be in the Everglades. Again. We like the Everglades.
Yeah.
But we wanted to go one more time before we go west, which is coming soon.